Welcome back, students. Today's session we are going to continue exercise 5.2 of arithmetic progression. In the last session we stopped at question number 6. In the last session we saw question number 4, 5 and 6. In today's session we are going to see the other remaining questions, that is question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's continue with question number 7. These all questions are of similar type. Like in the last session, these 3 questions were of same type. Okay, these are very important questions. So the other questions, today we are going to see question number 7, 8, 9 and 10, and these are also of similar type. So let's continue with question number 7. In this question it is given find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So this is one of the most important concept. So here two terms are given. Whenever two terms of an AP are given, like here 11th term is given and 16th term is given, so we have to find 31st term. So to find any term of an arithmetic progression, we need A and D value. Okay, so we will get those A and D values from the given conditions. So I'll use the given conditions. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73 to get that. So we know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So it's given that 11th term of this AP is 38. So a11, I can directly write a11 as a plus 10d, or okay, by reducing one number. So a plus 10d is equals to 38. From here I get a value as 38 minus 10d. Okay, then we'll go to the next part, that is 16th term is 73. So 16th term I can write directly as a plus 15d. Even if you don't want to write this step, it's okay. So 16th term is a plus 15d, or you can go with the formula a plus 16 minus 1 into d is a plus 15d. So a plus 15d is equals to given 73. Okay, so from here we get again the a value is equals to 73 minus 15d. So these both are equals to a. From equation 1 and 2 you can check this, both the values are equals to a. Now I'll simplify these two equations because these two are linear equations. You can check 1 and 2 are linear equations, or I can say things equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So I'll put this a value from 1, I'll put in equation 2. So by using that I'll get the value of d. I'll compare 38 minus 10d and 73 minus 15d. So simplifying this all, we get the value of d as 7. So we have got the value of d. Now we have to find the value of a. We'll put this value of d in any one of the equation, in equation 1 or in equation number 2. So let's put this value in equation number 1 and see what will be our a value. So putting d value in equation 1, what's our equation 1? A is equal to 38 minus 10d and d value is 7. So substituting d value as 7, we get 38 minus 70, that is equals to minus 32. So we have got a value and d value. We have to find 31st term of this series. So you can use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a and d here? A is 32, d is 7. So substituting the values, a is 32, n is 31. 31 minus 1 into d is 7. Okay, substituting all the values in the formula and simplifying, we get 31st term as 178. So this is the way we find the a and d values and find any missing term of the series whenever two terms are given. Okay, next one, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. How many terms are there in AP? 50 terms, of which third term is given to us. How much is third term? 12. And the last term, so 50 terms, this has 15 terms, 50 terms, so the last term will be 50th term only. Yeah, if there are 50 students in a class, so what will be the roll number of last? 50. So the last term is 106, so I can say 106 is 50th term of this series. So two terms are given. Again we have to find 29th term of this series. I follow the same procedure. I'll get one equation from A3, okay, that is A3 is 12, so A plus 2D is equals to 12 and A is equal to 12 minus 2D. Then again I'll use the last term given, that is A50 I can write A plus 49D. A plus 49D is equals to how much? It's given 106. So we get the value A is equals to 106 minus 49D here. Again we have got two equations equals to A. This is also equals to A. I can equate these two equations to get the value of D. So I am equating these two equations and I am getting the value of D as 2 in the same way we are doing like we have done previous question. Now we'll substitute this D value in any one of the equation 1 or equation 2, and we'll get the value of A. So substituting D is equals to 2 here, I'll get 12 minus 2 into D, that is 2 into 2. 12 minus 4, that is equals to 8. So we have got the terms, we have got the values of A and D. Now we need to find 29th term. So 29th term I can write as A29, I can write as A plus 28D directly, or you can go with the formula. So we'll find the 29th term by using the formula. A is 8 and N is 29, 29 minus 1 and D is 2. Substituting all the values we get 29th term as 64. So this is the way we can find any term of the series when two terms are given. Okay, this is same like the previous questions which we have done. We have done these questions in question number 3. When any two terms are given, we were finding the missing terms. The same thing is given in the form of statement. Okay, so same procedure we are using. Let's go to the next question. Third term and the ninth term of an AP are given. Again the same problem, third term and ninth term are given as 4 and minus 8. We have to find which term of this AP is 0. So first we'll find A and D values again. So from A3, third term is 4. Okay, third term is given as 4. So A3 is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 2D. You can write directly A plus 2D also. So A plus 2D is equals to A plus 2D is equals to 4, and A minus 4 minus 2D is equals to A. Similarly we'll use the other one. Ninth term is minus 8. So A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. Again I get the values of A's here. We'll equate things equal to the same thing, are equals to one another. So I'll equate this both the things and we'll get the value of D as minus 2. This value you can put in any one of the equation. I'm putting in equation 1 and I'm getting the value of A, that is 8. So we have got A and D values. Now we have to check which term of this AP is 0. So we have done this type of questions yesterday. We have to find here term is given to us. Okay, which term is 0 in this series? So A n is 0, unknown term. So we have to find n value in this. So I'll use the same formula. We have A and D values 8 and minus 2. We don't know what is n, and the nth term is 0. Okay, unknown term, that is, so nth term is 0. Like yesterday we have done in this question also. Which term of this AP is 78? We did yesterday. We found the value of n. So here also we have to do the same thing. Which term of the AP is 0? So we'll simplify it and we'll get the value of n as 5. So we can say fifth term of this AP is 0. Same way you have to proceed with another question. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So 17 exceeds means, suppose A and B are two brothers. A and B are two brothers. Age of A is 15 years. Imagine age of A is 15 years and age of B is 10 years. So I can say A exceeds B by 5 years. Okay, so we do A minus B is equals to 5. A exceeds B by 5 years. The same method we use here. 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. So 17th term minus 10th term is equals to 7. This is an, then 17th term is a plus 16d, and 10th term is a plus 9d. 17th term minus 10th term, that is a17 minus a10 is given as 7. Now we'll simplify this and get the value of d. Thank you.